Hello and welcome back. I'm Erica with the Revival Threadworks, and in today's video we're going to be doing something entirely different from what I normally do. My daughter-in-law showed me a video from a place called Parisina. It is a store that is very popular in Mexico that has now come to the United States. They have 2 locations in the United States, and both of them are in Texas. One of them is in McAllen, Texas, and the other one is in the Spring Woodlands area. So we drove out there to check it out. We were pleasantly surprised with all the amazing things that they had there. So instead of doing a tutorial for you guys today, I decided to drive all the way back out there and do some filming in the store so that you can see how amazing this store is and what kind of stuff they have. So if you are ready to check it out, let's go. Hey guys, so welcome to Parisina. This is a new store that's in an old Joann location, and it's very similar to Joann. It's in the Woodlands Spring area. Now let's go inside. When you walk in the door, you're going to see what looks like a Joann. It is very, very similar. All kinds of different fabrics up in the front. And then as we go over here towards the right, we've got some clearance fabrics. These fabrics are $1.99 a yard. There is some lacy tulle type stuff that's got sparkles. There's this fabric that's got sparkles. Really pretty stuff, honestly, for $1.99 a yard. And then right behind this shelf, there is another type of fabric. These fabrics, they are like, I would say, maybe rayon. They're kind of flowy. Some of it is also ITY. These are also $1.99 a yard. I'm just absolutely stunned. There are probably about 4 rows of the $1.99 stretch fabric. And then this right here is straight from Joann's. That was a brand that they used to carry, and it's $1.99 a yard. Crazy, crazy stuff. Lots and lots of $1.99 a yard stretch fabrics. There's some, obviously, lots of that Pop Kids print stuff that they used to carry at Joann. Great deal for $1.99. And look at this. There's even like wedding lace. I was absolutely stunned. And then there's this other sequin stuff. There's eyelet. There's all kinds of stuff. Right here we've got a whole lot of flannels. Now these are $4.99 a yard. They're not $1.99 a yard, but there's a whole bunch of different prints, all the pretty flannels like Joann used to have, but not nearly as many. And now we have cottons. This is Moda fabric. It's $11.99 a yard. There's a very small-ish section of Moda. And then past the Moda, if you look over here, we've got Benartex. There's all kinds of quilting cottons. They also have a whole lot of batiks. And then over here we've got some velvets that are like crushed velvet, the velour velvet. We've also got some laces that are $1.99. They're kind of that stretchy lace. And then here's some more of the quilting fabrics. Again, these are name brand quilting fabrics like Benartex and one of the batik companies. I don't even remember what the batik company was, but they have a lot of batiks. I'd say maybe a quarter of what they have here in the cottons is batik. Really pretty batiks too. Lots of Benartex stuff. There's also these really fancy fleece. This is that really, really soft, like that luxury luxe fleece. And then over here we have some of the maybe like mid-tier fleece. Then over here we've got some pre-cut yardage of different fabrics. I'm not really sure what kind of fabrics those are. And then they also have some Shannon cuddles. So they have the regular solid color cuddle for $14.99 a yard. And then they've got these that are the printed cuddle that's $19.99 a yard. And then there's this whole aisle of all of those pre-cut fabrics like Walmart carries, and they're $3 a yard. So not the best quality cotton fabric, but if you're practicing, definitely good stuff. And then there's a whole bunch of home decorator fabrics. There's, lots of the tablecloth vinyl. They've got like outdoor stuff. And then now we have yarn. Lots and lots of great yarn. I don't know how to knit or crochet, but they had those for $4.99. I would say there's probably 6 good aisles of yarn. And then these right here, these are only $2.99 a skein. So the prices on yarns are really good. Lots and lots and lots and lots of yarn. I think anybody that likes yarn is going to be pleased. And they also have some aisles that have some of the regular quilting notions, rulers, pins. There's even some buttons. And then as we get over here, they also have some cone thread. Now, I did buy a few. They're $1.49 a cone, so I'm not expecting superior quality or anything, but I did buy a few just to check them out. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But lots of thread, and then the line is pretty. So I wanted to show you really quick what I picked up at Parisina today and yesterday, actually, because I want you to see what kind of quality we're looking at here. So these particular fabrics, these four right here, they range from, looks like maybe a little bit of rayon on this one, and I think this was called like maybe Chalice, and I'm probably not even pronouncing that correctly. I don't know. But what I envision with these, I really like maxi dresses, and I've made a couple maxi dresses that have that ruching across the chest. I really love those. So I wanted to go ahead and take this fabric and this fabric, so these two, and make like a real flowy, pretty Western skirt to wear with my cowboy boots. And then I wanted to take these two and make a nice maxi dress with that ruching across the chest. So I actually bought 5 yards of each one of these fabrics. That's probably way more than I'm ever going to need, but it was $1.99 a yard, and I just couldn't pass it up. So I got 5 yards for $10 for each one of these. So I spent $40 on 20 yards of fabric for these 4 fabrics. Then I also got these batiks. I am doing a quilt to honor my sister. My sister passed away in 2020 of endometrial cancer, and I've decided to do a little tribute quilt for her. I had wanted to do a quilt for her before she passed, but she passed so quickly that I didn't have a chance to make that quilt. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to make that quilt for her in her honor. So I wanted to go ahead and use some of these really pretty batiks. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batiks. They were $5 a yard. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And then I've got these 2 prints here that were also $5 a yard. They're just regular quilting cottons. I know that not everybody loves I think they call it the digital prints, but for me, I think they just sparkle. I just love them. They stand out so good. Anyway, and I happen to absolutely adore butterflies, so I got butterflies. And then I got these 2 flannel prints because I don't know if you've caught it before, but we do have a new grandbaby on the way, and it's a little boy. So I've got these couple little fabrics that I bought to make him some receiving blankets. And then I also bought 3 of these cone threads. Like I said, they were $1.49. I'm not expecting some spectacular quality, but I am going to try it out and we'll see. But anyway, I just wanted you to see what all I got. Sorry, my little voiceover got cut off there when I was talking about the lines. Anyway, the lines were a little bit long to get checked out. However, they did run pretty quickly. The staff there is very efficient. They know exactly what they're doing. So don't be alarmed. I was in line maybe 20, 30 minutes, something like that, which was not that big of a deal considering how many people had carts full of fabric. Anyhow, I hope that you enjoyed this little tour of this store, and I really hope that if you're anywhere near the Spring Woodlands area that you go check out this store because they had some really, really good stuff there. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and also let me know if you go visit the store. I think you're going to love it. Anyhow, I will see you guys on Friday. The video on Friday is using the QMX with Minky. So I've already got it filmed. The quilt is already done and it turned out pretty amazing. So stay tuned. Have a great week and I'll see you on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.